This video is to show you how to use some animations that might be beneficial in the classroom. The first thing that I like to do is make sure that I include all the text features that I want as separate text boxes. Any of the individual objects that you have on the page could be animated so that you can fade them in, fade them out, or add other animations as you please. The first thing I'm going to do is click on the object that I want to have an animation for, and that's going to be this text is going to disappear. What I do is I right click on the actual box, and then on the options that show up, I select animate. And over on the right hand side, you'll see that I have some object animations. And this is just for this one. You'll see that this is the beginning of this text box over here, and I'm going to have it actually fade out, meaning that it will disappear. I could also choose disappear. That means it'll just automatically go away. I like fade out so that the kids are a little bit more aware that we are going to transition to a new text. However, I'm going to select on click so that when I click to go to the next text box, this one will disappear. For my next animation, I want this text to appear when this text disappears. So again, I right click, select animate, and now it says fade in. I want it to fade in when this box goes away. So I'm going to select with previous. That means it'll happen at the same time. It'll come in at the same time. I also, however, want to add that this one will disappear on its own. So I can right click again, animate, and select fade out. And I'm going to say with the previous one. Oh, I'm sorry, I misspoke. I wanted to do on click. However, the next one I'm going to say is only going to appear, right click again, I select animate, and now I want this one to fade in with the previous one. And if I want to check that this is working correctly, I can just select play, and now it'll show as though it would during the presentation. This text is going to disappear, click. This text now appears as the previous one disappeared. Now I'm going to click again. This text will disappear as the other one appears.